Dear students, in this session, I will explain what is surface mount technology and what are the advantages of and disadvantages of surface mount technology. You know, surface mount technology, SMT, the surface mount technology, what is a surface mount technology? The surface mount technology is a method for producing electronic circuits in which the components are mounted or placed directly on the surface of the printed circuit board. An electronic device so made is called surface mount device, SMD. Today, surface mount technology is the main technology used for PCB assembly within the electronics manufacturing. The SMT components are able to made very small, and many types are used in the billions, particularly SMT capacitors and SMT resistors. So, SMT components are designed to be set down on a board, that means PCB board, PCB, printed circuit board, that is placed directly on the surface of the PCB and solder it. So, this figure shows the concept of surface mount technology. For example, a typical passive component is placed or molded on the PCB and soldered. So, this is the component body, that means passive component, we can say passive component body. This is placed on the PCB or mounted on the PCB and soldered it. So, as shown in the figure. But in the through-hole technology, this figure shows the concept of through-hole technology. But in the through-hole technology, the component sleds are placed into drilled holes in the PCB. Next, what are the advantages of surface mount technology? Some advantages of surface mount technology. First one is a smaller and slim PCB. The SMD components are 60 to 80% smaller in size than their through-hole components. Weight of these components is also much less. Therefore, they occupy lesser space on the SMT PCB, thus making it smaller and slimmer. Next one is the PCB flexibility. Since SMT components are mounted or soldered directly on the surface of the board, But surface mount technology offers great flexibility in terms of PCB material and design. Flex PCB and rigid flex PCB are possible only because of SMT, that means surface mount technology. Next is the reduced board and material cost. Size of SMT PCBs are smaller and there is no need for any plated through holes. Also, cost of many SMT components is lesser than the through hole electronic components. This helps to reduce SMT PCB manufacturing cost. Since surface mount assemblies are smaller and slimmer, there is a reduced cost in terms of handling, packaging and transportation. Next is the automated simplified production. The through-hole electronic components have LEDs that need to be inserted in the plated through holes manually. These LEDs need to be bent, shaped and cut. But this is not in the case of the SMD components. With automatic SMT pick and place machines, they can be automatically placed on the board. This reduces processing and production cost. Next is the high signal transmission and high frequency. The SMT PCB assembly can support high density mainly on double sideband and multi-layer PCB. So, double side PCB and multi-layer PCB. Because of shorter delay, these boards are capable of high speed signal transmission. Also, because SMD components have no LEDs, therefore, the radio frequency interference is reduced. Also, SMT PCB assembly offer more resistance to vibration and there is no to less noise. Next is the disadvantages. So, what are the disadvantages of surface mount technology? Some disadvantages of surface mount technology. First one, expensive equipment. So, most of the SMT equipment such as reflow oven, pick and place machines, solder paste screen printer, these devices are expensive. Hence, SMT PCB assembly line requires huge investment. That is a large investment. Next is the difficult inspection. Since most SMD components are small and have numerous solder joints, it gets very difficult during inspection. That means which is difficult to test. Next is the prone to damage. No, SMD components can easily get damaged if dropped. Also, they are very sensitive for handling and packaging. They are generally handled in cleaned room place. Next is the less power. Not all the active and passive electronic components are available in SMD. Generally, the power of SMD components is less. Next, technically, complexity requires high training and learning costs. Thank you.